Welcome back to my channel. I'll be making this beautiful crochet headband. You will need scissors, measuring tape, 4.5mm hook and darning needle. You will also need elastic, and I will be showing you how to use hair tie as a substitute. I will be using 3.5 hair tie, which is equivalent to 17.5 inches when measured. The head circumference for this project is 22.5 inches. We will then minus 5 to 6 inches, which will then give us the length of our hair tie, which is 17.5 inches. We're leaving room for stretch. I'm now showing you how I cut my hair tie before I join them together. If you prefer to use the elastic, I will be linking it down below in the description and all the materials that I use. And this is how it looks after it's joined together. I'll be using the Soft Abyss Speckle acrylic yarn and also this purple soft acrylic yarn. To start this project, we will attach our yarn to the hair tie. Insert your hook, pull through the yarn and create a knot. Leave a small tail on the yarn. Attach the tail to the hair tie as we conceal it with single crochets. I did a total of 150 single crochets. If your size is the same as mine, you would probably get 150, a little bit less or a little bit more. I'm adjusting my yarn just to make sure that there's not much space in between. I'll meet you at the end of the round. We have now completed the first round with 150 single crochets. We will now do a slip stitch at the top of the chain that started the round. Now chain 3, and this chain counts as a double crochet. We will now do two double crochets in that same chain space that we did that chain 3. Now 3 double crochet in the next chain space. We will be doing 3 double crochets in all the chains until the end of the round. This is what it's looking like, and we will continue all the way around. You have now completed the second round. To close the round, we'll do a slip stitch at the top of that chain 3 space. We will again chain 3 This chain 3 count has a double crochet. We will do 2 more double crochet in that chain space, the same chain space. And just like the previous round, we are doing 3 double crochet in each chain space until we complete this round. We have completed our third round. I'm just adding that last 3 double crochet in that chain space. We will now do a slip stitch right at the top of that chain 3 space. For the 4th row, I will be changing the yarn color. At this point, you could do a yarn change without cutting the yarn, but I will not be doing it that way. Don't worry about the loose ends. I'll be showing you how I start my next row and how everything will fall into place. Here I'm using this purple acrylic yarn, and this will be our final row. Now you will choose any chain where you would like to attach your yarn. So now insert the hook into a chain, wrap the yarn around, pull through, and then pull through the taller parts of the yarn, leaving the tail loose. We will now chain 1, and then we will continue to do single crochets in every single chain until the end of the row. Don't forget to crochet in the tail of the yarn. Adding color to the end of your headband is optional. I just love the way how it looks. If you love this color combination, you can go ahead and add your colors. All the materials I used are listed in the description below. Remember where we cut our yarn? I'm now showing you how to crochet over the tail of the yarn that was left out. So we'll now continue until we reach the end of the row. We are now at the end of the final row. We will now do a slip stitch in that first chain 1 space. We will now chain 1, pull tight, and then cut our yarn. Leave a long tail on the yarn so it's easier to weave in the ends. So to weave in the ends, you will now get your darning needle, attach the yarn, and now weave in along the purple yarn for it to look seamless. Right here, I am creating a knot so that the yarn does not loosen easily. And now cut the excess yarn and we're all done. Thank you for watching.